Hi, Carlos from Precision Auto Glass of Long Island. This video is going to kick off a short series to help you, the customer, make better decisions and choices when you're searching for auto glass services here on Long Island. So let's get into the first topic. Should I have the chip on my windshield repaired? Absolutely. Chip repairs are a cost-effective way to avoid having to replace your windshield. That said, there are a couple things that you should note. The repair process is not meant to make the damage on your windshield disappear. The purpose of a repair is to restore the structural integrity of your windshield. Once we're done with the repair, it will look better, but you'll still be able to notice a blemish. The other thing to note is that there's always a chance that the repair can spread during the repair process. And although it doesn't happen often, the chance is there. But don't worry, we can help you with that too. Another common question is, how do I know if my chip is repairable? Some say that anything smaller than the length of a dollar bill can be repaired, but there are other factors to consider. Usually, anything larger than a couple of inches in length requires a replacement. If you're unsure, just give us a call and we can help you figure it out. And lastly, will my insurance company cover the cost of a repair? Insurance laws vary from state to state, but in the state of New York, you can buy full glass coverage. Even if you have a glass deductible, in many cases, your insurance company will waive the deductible for a repair. If you're not sure about your glass coverage and are on Long Island, give us a call or submit a request form on our website. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.